2019 for sure, we're really focusing on the systems channel, integrators, end users, consultants. We have this whole new marketing campaign called Make Connections Feel Effortless. You can go to effortless.shure.com, and it's really focused on the IT customer, focusing on the importance of audio, what you need to know to incorporate audio into your network, into your meeting room environment. So that's a big focus for us. And then in terms of the products, the big thing here at the show is a brand new free firmware update to the MXA910 that really kind of turns it into a whole new product. And what this does is adds a bunch of features that just make the MXA910 really fast and easy to deploy. It's ready to go out of the box. You can just plug it in and get going with your conference and not have to worry about all these other things. So some of those key features are we've integrated IntelliMix DSP right into the microphone. So now built into the microphone you can get a echo-free, noise-free performance because it has acoustic echo cancellation, has noise reduction, has automatic mixing, AGC, all these things built into the box. We're also launching a new feature called autofocus. And autofocus technology basically adjusts the lobes in real time. You don't have to do anything. When participants stand up, sit down, move in their seats, it always keeps the focus right on the participant. It has 8 highly directional lobes. They're even more directional than a shotgun. So when it's in that ceiling, you can actually, using our designer software, you can steer those lobes anywhere in the room to pick up the entire room. With this new firmware update, we're now featuring autofocus technology. That actually adjusts the lobes in real time, so after you steer them, it will take care of when people adjust their position around the table or in the seats. And then we've also incorporated IntelliMix DSP, which is acoustic echo cancellation and noise reduction in the box. So what this is really going to do is give you something that's ready to go out of the box, reduces commissioning time, reduces budget, and it's the perfect thing for your conference room.